Big things have small beginnings. A caterpillar becomes a butterfly. A shy kitten becomes a tiger. And a small spark of interest can go on to become something great. I've had quite a few sparks in my life. Gaming, horror films, football, and it all started in a small town. But the one spark that stood out was my interest in machines, playing and tinkering with my dad's trucks in his garage. That spark gave me energy that grew together with me, because I was always a shy girl from a small town, and a lot of these things take more time than others. But I like to think that it's okay for things to take time. When I first joined Volvo, I didn't say much at all, but I quickly learned that communication is everything. And I continued to grow, found love for many different things, different sparks. And when the sparks meet and combine, they can light up the whole world. Big things have small beginnings. And that shy little girl became something else.